What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy 2021. I hope everybody had a great, happy, safe, and good new year. But as always, the show must go on, and as you can see, the show is going on. Here is the situation, guys. The one last ditch effort. We're gonna pull this transmission out, swap it with another 6R80, and see if that maybe solves the problem. It's kind of hard to say. This 6R80 got clutches and an input shaft, and it has a converter, and we're wondering if the reason the wheels don't go back, because they should, is telling us that we've got something internal going on. Maybe that's making it shift bad. Who knows? I guess we'll know soon, right? So the cool thing is with these, Lee's got the newly redesigned Cook swap headers on here. Pretty sure we don't have to move anything out of the way as far as the headers go. Get this transmission out. All right, so just about time. Go ahead and pull that transmission out. So two's unhooked, shift linkage unhooked, trans line unhooked, starter unhooked. You got the converter bolts earlier, so
Converter bolts.
unbolt the.
Looks pretty roomy, so we'll see what these.
Yeah, I tell you guys, before with those old Cook's headers, you weren't getting it. No, it wasn't gonna happen. With these new design, I'm amazed, and even just like the starter is just like you can put your whole hand on it. But yeah, I got the exhaust off. We are gonna swap this exhaust. Lee was not at all happy with the way these MagnaFlows sounded. I'm gonna set them up here and just see how straight they are. And you can see, typically MagnaFlows are really like a mellow tone. Not these. These freaking things are loud. All right, I guess we're gonna get transmission out. Boom! All right, boys, she is out. And like I said, these headers made it fabulous. So I guess we'll know here for too long. But while we were doing that, look at this. We got gas. Ken, what are you doing, dude?
I know Standard Circle Day. Of course, this is 10R80. This is 6R80.
Yeah.
10R80s are having a lot of problem with them.
Different story. But yes, guys, Ken is out at the shop. What's up, dude? Dude, you're rocking the new hoodie.
Yeah, I got it.
Are they on the website?
Yeah, they're on the website.
What's the website?
Speedaddict731.com.
Sweet. And you brought me one for Christmas?
No.
Kid, you didn't get my Christmas present yet. I need a hoodie, man.
I got another one I'm designing. Because somebody told me I couldn't use it. It's a side profile of an S550 right here.
Yeah.
Instead of the turbo. And then it's got the Speedaddict731 on it. But
Sweet.
somebody told me I couldn't use it, so I've got to do some research. I've got it all designed and just got to...
I just change it up a little bit, then they can't say nothing.
Yeah, exactly.
But also, while we were pulling the transmission, Steve, oh shit. I'm not cutting that out of the video. I was watching Steve's Fab Shop over here. Well, luckily I got a hat on. All right, Steve, what are we working on, dude?
We're going to try to hold this turbo up.
So Steve is...
Take the ratchet straps off.
Steve is making Turbski mounts.
I think we ought to leave the ratchet straps on.
Yeah, I mean, why not? Little color under the hood, never hurt anybody. So just
have them supported, right?
Yeah.
So basically, just something to
Hold that.
yeah. Let's see here. So it came with this, with the kit, right?
I think so.
That sandwich plate. But yeah, so we're good. Got all kinds of stuff going on. You are the you've done this a time or two.
Got a lot of fluid in for these.
Don't tell me, and make them wonder.
Make them wonder what I'm looking for.
For your viewing pleasure, Ken is going to help us figure it
I
out.
just want to make a mess.
Yeah, right. And they will. So you're looking for just metal, color, smell, anything?
Metallic.
Look at that. That's a lot of metallic.
You're gonna have some. Dover, was this pan clean?
Yeah.
It was really clean?
Should have been pretty clean, yeah.
Uh-oh.
We got sparklies. We got lots of sparklies.
That's just to make it pretty.
Well, I'm not worried about the fine.
Yeah.
You got a magnet. Yeah. See right there. See right.
So obviously with new clutches, we're gonna have some material in there. Are you gonna say that there's more than you would like to see?
We're putting new trans in. I just don't want to throw something in the
Yeah.
torque converter in the new trans. Are y'all gonna put this torque converter in the new trans?
Yeah, we're putting that converter in the one that's going back in.
Okay.
That's
If the pan was clean, we got a lot in there, but I mean,
it's so hard to say.
yeah, that's what we need to do.
All right, so we got everything swapped over. Gonna put the converter in. Give it a try. See what happens. How many miles did this thing have on it?
76,000.
75,000 mile trans. Not that it's probably gonna stay in there, who knows, but at least we'll know if that's the issue or not. So we're gonna put the Circle D in this one. Put her together. One. Two.
I think that's it.
Right up instead of putting it on the ground.
Rotate it.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, she's there now.
Just have to rotate and
Yeah,
come up.
like it was made for it.
What do you say on that?
It's a swap life, Ken. It's, you know,
Exactly. Hot rodding.
right? Very good. All right, guys, while we're doing tranny stuff, we had to do a little update on Alex's black truck, and he got the wheels. God, dude, these look expensive. Anything that says Shelby right there is gonna be expensive. But yeah, guys, there is the wheels and tires for the regular cab short bed, the black truck. Keep it tuned right here. Got the bed, the cab, everything is pretty much painted, so it's gonna be not gonna be long, but those wheels are gonna look sick. There it is.
Hold on, I gotta get this side.
Things in the way. We took it off and all that.
Yeah, it shouldn't be.
We put that scrap on it, you know, when we put it on, Jerry. We pulled them over, remember?
It's pretty close.
Oh, you're right
It's not
there.
crazy off.
You're right there. Don't pinch your finger when it.
I'm not.
There it is.
There
There it is.
Sweet.
You got it.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's close.
Yeah.
And the headers just relax a little bit.
All right, boys. We just about got her back together. Who knows? Maybe it fixed it. All right, Steve. You fixing to make it happen?
I'm trying to.
Steve's Fab Shop fixing up the exhaust on here. Gonna make her sound good. Definitely sound better too. So, on the next video, we're gonna figure out if that transmission was bad or not. We don't know. Good question. We do know the clutches were dragging for whatever reason, and who knows? So, we're gonna drive it, see what happens, and go from there. Now, here's the other thing. Lee definitely wants to go Gen 3 and Gen 8. He does. Gen 5 Whipple 2. We don't know what's gonna happen there, but stay tuned, guys, because I'm telling you, something badass is gonna happen with this car, one way or the other. So in the meantime, if you enjoy this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.